been a while, hasn't it? So I've been doing this basically, the whole workshop. Literally got us back on the ramp today. Made the trolley the other week, but then I bought a £250 MGTF, which might be the subject of another video, which went on the ramp and I did the head gasket. Surprise, surprise. But this evening we shall do this. I've uncovered it, steamed the engine bay, probably the oil from there. So, carry on with this side. And I'll do the front suspension once this is all... Well, I'll get the front suspension out once all this is done. I just don't want to do anything to the front yet. So, the plan is to get you over. So, we need to remove the sill up to about here, get rid of this horrible patch. Might save the actual patch, but weld it in properly, you know, flush, because that's shaped correctly there, and that's going to be very hard to make afterwards. Weld that out, repair various holes. So I want to finish the sill first, so I actually have something to weld to here. I'm going to have to take the jacking point out because... grab the torch. Take the jacking point out because it's all a bit ming under there. And of course, once all that's out of the way, just slowly work my way round and do that. Finish this area, get that all done in there, and then it's inner arch, outer wing, this side done, onto the next side. But first, as I said, we'll cut out that sill. Helps you to turn the camera on. Oh, I've lost my other tripod which holds the light, so sorry about the light situation. We'll find it'll turn up. It's probably in a car somewhere. Right. So what I was going to do, bring you back over. Let's put the light here so I can actually point. Wouldn't that be novel? Oh, come on. Right, light's there. What I was going to do is, drill out these spot welds along here. But that's probably going to be a complete waste of time because that bit of metal is actually really nice. So what I'm going to do is grind that flush with the face it's sitting on, and then just weld it straight on. I think it's the best option because, I mean, yes, the proper way to do it would be to drill the spot weld out and make a proper panel from here right down to here. But you can do just as good a job of the way I'm going to do it. And if I do everything completely properly, it's going to be here forever. But exactly, at the moment it's not as podgy as this. Let me look at this. This is ridiculous. Then there is that lovely repair on the front, which we shall flash back to now. What? So yes, I shall go and get the flap disc on, and yeah, grind this flush. I think we got good metal from there on now, because I did needle gun the whole of this. And as I just showed you, it's funny that it's only come out in a couple of places, you know, rot-wise. And then the other bits, it's completely solid. It's weird, this car. You expect the whole sill to be gone. But no, it's just certain little holes. And then someone's seen the certain little holes in the past and just welded a dirty, great big patch onto them. I digress. As you can probably tell from most of these videos, my old SLR doesn't have a screen which flips round to the front, so if my head's cut out of a lot of this, then that's why, because I can't actually see what I'm filming. So I think it's been pretty good guesswork up until now. Right. Right, so I've cut this bit of the sill out and taken out the jacking point because it was all rotten underneath there, look. Focusy perch, there we go. So, yeah, this is here to stop the sill distorting any more. So I'm just going to weld this bit in here, just to keep it all a bit more rigid. And then cut this whole piece out from here. And make this new bit new, because the whole thing is absolutely knackered up until the inner sill there. So that's the plan. And then remake that patch and yeah, weld the jacking point onto it again. So that's the plan. Right, well, that's that little bit welded in. Apologies for the atrocious welding. I'm still getting grips with my new welder. Yeah, it's so bad. I'll grind it down and redo it. Yeah, you can see it's sort of like, nope, adjust, nope, adjust, nope, adjust. There we go, getting there. And a bit on top. But yeah, we're all ooh, one shot. Alright. But before I carry on, I'm going to give all under there a bloody good needle gun. Because it needs it, so I can find out where any more rot is, and so I don't set the whole thing on fire with all the underseal under there. I should have done that first, but I've only just really thought about it now it's on the ramp. So that'd be nice and easy. And yeah, I couldn't film my welding because I lost my tripod mount, but now I found it. It was in the MG. So we shall do some needle gunning now. Well, good news for my neighbours is this isn't coming off the needle gun. It's that really sort of thick, tarry stuff. So that keeps the noise levels down. However, fiberglass around seatbelt mounts and suspension springs, seats, what a surprise. Oh, I'm sorry, but people who do that should be shot. It's really bad. Don't know how I'm going to get to any of this, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Concentrate on the sill first. So we shall make a sill out of this lovely cardboard template I just prepared. Well, sill repair piece. Well, there's our new bit of sill. This is just one piece of a few, because I'm going to have to make it in several pieces because it's quite a funny shape. Now, I should point out, I've never really done this sort of thing before. I've done welding on MGBs and Land Rovers, but this is a bit different. So I'm aware I might not be doing it in the correct sort of manner. So I've been on all day and we're slowly getting there. Trouble is I don't have any proper shaping equipment, so I'm having to sort of make the sill as I go along, then join it on. But I think it's actually going quite well. So I'm quite new to this part of welding. Focus, come on, there we go. And yes, so as it sort of curves up, I just made this bit with that flattened bit there. And we'll join that now. So it's already tacked into place at the moment, so it doesn't distort, but we're getting there. And now work has stopped for a bit. Because pesky customers have come in and sort of they pay for this to be done in a way. So that's where we've got to. Need to finish putting that weld in. As you can see by the rust, it's actually stopped a few weeks ago. But this is the side I haven't zinc primered. So that's not so bad. So no, get it back on the ramp soon and finish doing that bit of the sill and then do the rest of the car until next time, which hopefully won't be too long.